something you should know about me. I specialize in a very specific type of
accounting. Financial accounting.
So you're talking about accounting 221 with Kathy West? Mr. Cobb has a job offer he'd like to discuss with you.
Isn't it an internship?
Not exactly. He's filling this class without us. We need to teach him all of our knowledge through his dreams. Assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. I'm ready.
He cannot pass this exam.
The first person in the dream is the first person out of the dream. And the last person in the dream is the first person out of the dream.
Oh, FIFO and LIFO.
No graphing calculators. This is your responsibility. Give him the key. Close your account. You close them. Is this dream an intangible asset or a tangible asset?
Intangible.
That is correct. You mustn't be afraid to study a little bit harder.